Did you know yawns are contagious because of empathy? If you've ever yawned right after a friend or relative of yours, you might have already suspected that. Studies show that when you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons activate, making you yawn too. It's a leftover survival instinct from our ancestors, helping groups stay alert together and sync up their sleep cycles. What's crazy is that even some animals, like dogs and chimps, catch yawns from humans. So if you just yawned, congrats, you're officially human. Or maybe part chimp. Who knows?